Okay, so now we're on our way up on the tow bar. There's Ellie up ahead, and there's Anna right in front of me. Ellie just got off, as you can see. Say hi, Ellie. Anna's right there. And now I'm getting off. Alright, shall we show them how it's done? Alright. There's Daddy's snowboard instructor, causing some trouble. Now we're going down. You just call me Susie Chapstick. Woo-hoo-hoo! Getting seasick yet? Oh, and we caught Anna in a spill. How you doing, Anna Kate? Ellie's already down. You okay? Anna and I are going no poles today. And now we go full speed all the way to the top. Hey, Al, how'd that feel?
Good. That was a nice one. Oh.
All right, where's Daddy?
Right behind you.
Now, what do you want to do, Ingrid? You want to ski with me?
Yeah.
All right.